What is hospitality? What is hospitality industry? What are the segments of hospitality industry? Hospitality in Pakistan. How you can join the hospitality industry. Hello friends, this is your host Mohammad Assam Khan. Today I am going to discuss these topics in my video. Stay with me and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. First of all, I am talking about what is hospitality. In simple words, hospitality is about the people welcoming other peoples into their homes or other places like where they live, where they spend their time or where they work. The people who welcome visitors are called hosts. The people they welcome are called guests. The word hostel, hospice, and hospital also come from the word hospitality. Moving forward, what is hospitality industry? The hospitality industry is a broad category of fields within the service industry. The hospitality industry can be segmented into four basic segments. Number 1, food and beverage industry. Number 2, lodging industry. Number 3, travel and tourism industry. And the last one, number 4, the leisure and recreational industry. Hospitality industry in Pakistan. Pakistan has a lot of potential for hospitality industry as it has a diverse culture, beautiful landscapes and many religious spots to attract more local or international tourists. Now we discuss how you can join the hospitality industry in Pakistan. As you remember, there are four different segments of hospitality industry: food and beverage, travel and tourism, lodging, leisure and recreation. So first we discuss about food and beverage. Food and beverage sector, which is professionally known as by its initial F&B. F&B is the largest sector of hospitality industry. The F&B industry includes restaurants, pubs, fast food joints, cafeterias, food manufacturing industry, catering businesses, food transportation services, and more. Work in this industry can range from packaging to preparing, transporting, and serving. And we further divided into two different departments. Number 1, the kitchen department who prepare foods, and number 2, the service department who serve food. And tourism deal with moving people from place to another place. Buses, cabs, train, ships or plane and so on are the part of the travel industry. Tourism is the traveling activities of people for leisure, for business or other purpose for not more than one consecutive year are called tourism. Pakistan has a lot of potential in tourism industry. Pakistan has a beautiful range of mountains in northern areas, a number of beach spots in Balochistan and Sindh, and many other places in Punjab and Sindh area. The industry is the business of people focused on rest. Rest means recreation, entertainment, sports, and tourism related products and services. The lodging industry. The lodging industry consists of hotels, motels, and resorts. So you can be a part of lodging industry by joining any hotel, motel, or resort property. Hotel have many departments like front office, housekeeping, maintenance, accounts, F&B. These are the main departments in hotel. So these are the four segments of hospitality industry. I hope it will be helpful to understand how you can be a part of hospitality industry. Please hit the like button. Do subscribe my channel for more updates and stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.